Hello cute childrens, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a husky. So please watch full video to have fun. Let's get started. First of all, I have to draw a backpack. So husky with backpack. So I will draw a line from here. It's round for bag. Okay, till here, and now we have to go straight line. This is for the bag. Like, okay, I do it correct. Okay, till here it's good. And now what we have to do, you have to draw a book that it's outside of the back. So you have to draw a line here and here. It's book, so like this. But here we have to draw 3D book. So here this, and we will go this like this. Okay, so now it's turn to make a pencil. Pencil is out as well, outside from the back. So this is the rubber and this is the pencil. So now what we have to do, we have to make a complete bag. So I will start from here. Like, I will go down. Okay, I have to raise. I have to go down. Till here, these should be equal. And now I have to draw what? Here I will draw a circle. Okay, and now here is a zipper. Okay, and now I will connect like this. And now I have to make a complete bag from here. Okay, like this. And here I have to draw the front zip, front pocket. Okay, and like this. So till here it's zip backpack, it's ready. So now it's turn to husky. So first of all, I will draw a face, nose. Here I will draw a nose. Okay, it's round. And now I will draw like this here as well. Now what you have to do, okay, now I will draw eyes here, side by side, two eyes, one and two. I will fill it with color properly, it's but later. Now I have to draw head from here. Okay, upper side I have drawn, and now the side we have to leave the space for ear, and I will start from here, little space, and I will come down. Okay, it should be correct. Little from here. Okay, done. And the other side as well, I leave here little space and I go to down and stop. So now what will be, what it's more, I have to draw here ears, sorry, ears. So I will draw ears like this, and you have to come down to here. Okay, and the same I will draw here, this side. I will start from here. Okay, and I will draw like this. So now what's more actually I want to correct it because it's not looking okay, nice. But now it's more, you have to draw this for here like this, okay, and same you have to, these are the hairs that are like here, 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 and you have to come down and stop here. Okay, so what is the next step? Next step is that you have to meet this to the like this, okay, and go towards face. Okay, nicely done. So now I have to make a first leg. I will start from here and I will come down and I will make a round shape. I will connect with the back. So now it's more, these are the nails, okay, one leg, and now I have to draw the back. I will start from here, okay, I will come down and here. Okay, you have to draw this line, and now what you have to do, you have to draw the back leg. This back leg will come like this, okay, and now you have to draw the legs. This, it's the back foot till here, and now you have to draw it properly and meet with like, not meet with like this, okay, you have to meet, you have to go from here to here. Okay, nicely done till here. Now it's turn to make the tail. For tail I will start from the back, from here. I will from here, like I will come upper to lower, okay, and now the hairs like this, like this, like this, and you have to meet in round shape like this. So it's more like this are design of like back. So here you can draw like this. The ears, it's like this. But here you have to add one more thing. From here you have to draw like this line, okay, and you have to start from here, and you have to come slightly upside, and here you have to make a round, and you have to come to here, okay. The same you have to draw from here. You have to do, this is the wave, or you can say that it's okay. From here I raise it, and I will come down, and I will meet this corner. It's not good. I can turn the paper and go to here. So it's almost done. I have to color, and I meet you after color. So cute children, our husky with backpack is ready. So I have used here gray color, pink for cheeks, and the back you can whatever you want you can, but the main thing is that please have fun every time, and this is I want to say, and please subscribe my channel and watch always full video to have more fun. And we meet in the next video. Take care until the next video. Bye bye.